talk about tools, like what tools we generally use in the data field, data, if you are a data professional, what tools you will use? We will use SQL, that is a universal language for data, non-negotiable for every analytics role. SQL is the minimum and basic and more important language or a tool that needs to be get. Okay. Then we have Python and R. So the programming languages of data science and advanced analytics. If you want to deep dive into advanced analytics, Python is the best tool. Then we have Power BI, Tableau, and Looker. Power BI, Tableau, and Looker. Visualization, business intelligence, like you have your data ready and you have everything with you. You just want to utilize it and you want to get some insights out of it. So, this is the best tool. This is the best tool we can use. Then we have, definitely we need to talk about this, that is Databricks, Snowflake, and DBT, the modern data stack for engineering and transformation. We will deep dive into it when we are into that. Okay. And now we have many AI related tools and everything coming into picture. Okay. Then we have like if you want to deep dive into AI, now this is the conversation everyone needs to be having, right? And most people are getting in completely wrong. When AI entered the data analytics world, the reaction splits into two camps. Camp one said AI will replace data analysts. Why would you learn analytics when a machine can do it? Camp two said AI is nothing to do with analytics. Just learn SQL and Excel, you will be fine. Both camps are wrong, dangerously wrong, right? Here is the truth. AI has not replaced data analytics. AI has transformed data analytics into something exponentially more powerful and professionals who understand both, right? The fundamental principle of analytics and how to wind AI effectively, they are ones who will define the next decade of business intelligence. Let me show you exactly how AI has changed each layer of analytics workflow. Previously, it is data engineering. Now it is AI in data engineering. It is helping data engineers to build the pipelines and doing some debugging. And if there is error, it is fixing. AI and data analytics. This is where revolution, most of the tools like Microsoft Copilot in Power BI, Google Gemini in Locker, and Anthropic's Cloud allows analysts to ask questions in plain English and receive instant SQL queries, visualizations, and narrative summaries. Then AI in predictive modeling, like building a machine learning model using to require a data scientist with deep statistical expertise, weeks of feature engineering, and extensive model validation, automated machine learning platforms called AutoML. Now, allow analysts to build and deploy prediction models with fraction of the effort. Then AI in data storytelling. Generative AI can now take a complex data set and produce a draft narrative, a summary of what data shows in a plain language that everyone will understand. The analyst role shift from writing the first draft of editing, questioning, right? Now it shift to improving with the AI produces. The critical insights from here we need to take is AI does not replace the need of understand data. AI amplifies that understanding. A person who does not understand statistics, businesses, context, or data quality and just ask an AI questions will get confident sounding wrong answer and makes terrible decision. AI is only as good as person directing it, and the person directing it needs deep analytical thinking. That is the important, that is the key. This is why data analytics skill have never been more valuable, not less. The floor has risen, average, and become absolute. So, you be truly skilled analysts who understand fundamentals and can use AI tools effectively, their value has exploded. That is true.